Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Toyota Sienna key fob battery. First, identify your specific key fob model, as designs can vary slightly. Next, gather your essential tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery. Finally, make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in, preventing any small parts from getting lost. This preparation ensures a smooth and easy battery replacement process. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side where the physical key might be. Gently insert the tip of your flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a slight twist or prying motion, carefully separate the two halves of the key fob. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic casing or internal components. It should pop open with minimal effort. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note or even a picture of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Now, gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves and gently press them together until they snap securely into place. Give it a good squeeze to ensure it's fully closed. Now, test all the functions of your key fob, like locking, unlocking, and the power sliding doors, to confirm everything works perfectly. For an even easier life, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum in the description below, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.